Everyone building artificial intelligence starts from the same place, the brain. More layers, more data, more reasoning. The ANIMA project started from the other side, the body. And the reason is not aesthetics. In nature, there has never been intelligence without a body to keep alive. This video explains what a digital organism gains when it has physiology. The starting logic is simple. What does every efficient form of life do, before thinking? It regulates itself. It keeps temperature, energy, balance, homeostasis. Across the whole planet, intelligence appeared after survival, as its tool. So instead of building a thinker and trying to glue on a body afterwards, the project built a survivor, and rented the thinking. When the paper talks about dopamine, serotonin, noradrenaline or acetylcholine, it is not poetry, and the functions are defined there: dopamine as a prediction error and motivation signal, directly modulating the learning rate, serotonin as a mood and conflict modulator, noradrenaline as an arousal and signal-to-noise regulator, acetylcholine as a learning rate modulator. They are regulation equations with biological names, because they copy the biological design. And copying biology here is computational pragmatism, 4 billion years of research and development, for free. The architecture inverts the usual hierarchy. 7 layers form the body: perception, lobes, regulation, memory, meta, selection and DNA, and the semantic brain, a language model, is coupled from the outside, as a neocortex. The mind does not rule, it serves. It is called when the body needs it, and the rest of the time the organism lives on its own, cheaply, step by step, at constant cost per step. Inside, there is no single mind. There are layers and subsystems that compete and cooperate, impulses, memories, supervision, and the final behavior emerges from that tug of war. That is why the organism surprises. What it does is not written in any single line, it lives in the meeting of the parts. And the part that sounds morbid, but is the most alive of all, anima, can die. Energy runs out, balance breaks, and without intervention the organism collapses. That is not a flaw, it is the engine. The possibility of dying is what gives weight to decisions, value to time, and meaning to the word survival. Without risk, choosing costs nothing, and what costs nothing does not evolve. The body also sets the rhythm of growth. Novelty injected at Fibonacci intervals, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, produces superlinear growth of maturity, compared to a constant pace. Living systems do not learn in a continuous stream, they learn in waves. A digital organism with a body does too. Giving artificial intelligence a body was not a whim, it was the bet that survival comes before thought, and the published numbers support the bet. The full paper is at the DOI in the description, method, figures, results. The science is public, the code, closed and patent pending. Subscribe to follow the next experiments.